1,200 feet and 350 miles per hour. Flash will demonstrate a low speed maneuverability of the Tomcat by executing a 1/2 to the 8, courtesy of Parker Hannifin F-14. On the wings as they go from full forward 23rd position to full aft of 68 degrees. Make your heart beat. Configurations, the Tomcat takes on the shape of a delta, and a large flat central surface between the engines serves as an airfoil or lifting body. From your left. You may know about Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law says if something can happen, it probably will. I told you earlier today that the F-14 has 2 engines. Well, you might have seen as the airplane took a left turn over the lake, we saw only one afterburner. During that time, one of the engines flamed out. Pilots are now coming in. Seamus Flatley is coming in on a single engine approach, so 50% of his power has been lost. They have the situation well in hand. This is what they train for in simulators and in the actual aircraft year after year after year, so that they can handle situations like this with procedures that each and every pilot and Rito are familiar with. So they're now coming in. They'll be in just a couple of minutes, coming in on a single engine approach. And as Flat says from the cockpit, no problem.
Your drones are going to get falling. Put Top Gun.
A piece of cake. We'll leave a challenge to the U.S. Navy and a carrier-based pilot and a tremendous talent like
well, there you can get into orbit now if you'd like, sir. We'll be going here as soon as we clean the airport.
No problem. Routine, as they say. What do you want me to do next?
Good. Show control. Are you way out of the way and all that confusion there? We're on the southwest side. Alright, go ahead, go. Alright, we're on the go.
From Lockheed is the giant Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. It comes through Cleveland, all the way from the Altus Air Force Base in Altus, Oklahoma, and the 43rd Military Air Wing. Again, the headwaters are responsible for hosting the C-5 visit for the second year this year. Sometimes throughout the first year, stop by the headwaters and thank those great people for allowing us to enjoy both inside and outside that beautiful military aircraft. By the way, it is surrounded by a wide variety of other military and civilian aircraft. And throughout the course today, make sure that your Kodak film from CPI Photo Finishers.
Flash, you got the dual trucks off the runway for the taxiway. You gonna be able to get by with the wings back?
With everybody's consciousness in health increasing every day, we'd like to remind you that for almost 100 years, our good friends at Minnehaha Water Company, who serve as our official water suppliers here, have been serving the Cleveland community since way back in 1896. Now, you can always rely on one of America's most respected brands, Minnehaha of spring water, and that is, of course, the taste that nature intended.
Air boss, read the wing walker. Yes, sir, go ahead. You need us to go up or stand by, Jimmy. I don't know what we're going to do yet. I'll keep you advised.
I think we're run the truck and pad here. Welcome to all attendees to our Zero Zone. Thank you for supporting two great Cleveland traditions, the Cleveland National Airshow.
Well, I don't think so, Jimmy, because they're cleaning up the airport now.
Cleveland takeoff has a space just like home. Well, Flats and Kenny getting a little outside visual inspection of the aircraft. Now travel forward with their one remaining good engine. And all the training in the simulators and all of the concentration and study at home in the evening and all of the patience on the part of the instructors has paid off once again. Any pilot will tell you when you lose 50% of your power, you have got to use some special techniques, and you have to bring them to mind immediately. There is no time to shuffle through a manual and try to pick them out. They are all memorized, and it works just like clockwork today. Our airplane is safely on the ground. How about a big round of applause for our great pilots? And our thanks, too, for Seamus Flatley, our pilot, and our RIO, our radar intercept officer, Lieutenant Kenny Witzel.